package here to open, of course, from my usual Homfun. I need to branch out and like try some different companies. But you know, like when you put so much work into a diamond painting, you don't want to like order from a crappy company. So anyway, if anybody has like some other suggestions from companies that they've had great experiences with, I'd love to hear about it. I've ordered from Dispaint, from Homefun, Homefun Official Store, Homefun Factory Store. I've been happy with all those. I've ordered from HuCan and AZQSD and another company that's connected to HuCan. I've been happy with all of those. But if anybody's got any companies that they have kind of tried, tested, true, let me know. I'm specifically looking for a Winnie the Pooh picture for a coworker right now. So if anybody has a store that they've been happy with, let me know. I want something that has a good quality canvas and no popping drills. So even a round, like if anybody knows of a company that does rounds, let me know. Anyway, let's get into this one. So this one here is another Christmas gift. I ordered this one for my stepdad. It took, gosh, 18 days to come. So that's not too bad. So yeah, I don't know. My stepdad's been helping me a lot with like, repairs on my vehicle and stuff, and so I figured I was gonna do this for him. He's well, he's not my, I don't know, I call him my stepdad. Him and my mom divorced a couple years ago, but I don't know, he doesn't have much family, so whatever. I still call him my stepdad. No reason not to, but anyway, he doesn't have a lot of pictures on his walls at home, and I wanted to get him something kind of masculine, but he really liked my diamond paintings, and so I said I would do it for him. So I'm hoping to get this one done by Christmas, but I'm also doing my advent calendar, so we'll see. Time's definitely limited right now, so box is a little crushed. It is what it is. We'll see. There's no tape or anything on the end this time, so this end's kind of bulging a little bit, so I'm gonna start from here. Just spilled my coffee. Oh well. Okay, we're gonna start at this end and open it up. Looking inside here. So we got our canvas, the drills, and our toolkit. Typical Homfun toolkit. That's the plate of wax and 3-placer. Spilled my coffee again. Not having a good day. Okay, let's take out the canvas here. We'll take a peek at this. Oh, this is packaged differently. Usually when I get a Homfun, yeah, it is kind of wrapped around the drills. It's just in there really tight. No, it's packaged the same, just a little bit tighter than usual. So, yeah, let's get into this. We've got our drills here. And let me see if I can find the picture. See that there? That's the picture. It's a bunch of labs, different colored labs with some geese, kind of a hunting picture. I ordered a 40 by 50. I think this is going to be detailed enough. Really hoping it is. It's going to be iffy, but we'll see. So drills are in there, lots of pinks and browns. I was kind of expecting to see more yellows, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how the color of that one turns out. So we got your usual elastics on here. Pull these guys off. I don't know. I think I prefer the elastics to, like, sometimes they come wrapped in plastic, sometimes they're taped. I prefer the elastics. I think that less damage that way. The only time I've ever had damage from elastics is if they've got like multiple canvases wrapped around one foam roller. So open this guy up here. I love their canvases. They're so nice and thick. I've never had a problem with their canvases. I've had a few that have had some bubbles in them, but nothing that's not fixable. So I did have somebody say that I'm opening these too quickly. So I'm gonna try to slow down a little bit here. Oh good, this one is a square. I was kind of worried that I had accidentally opened or ordered a round for this one, but you know, I might order a round. I haven't done a round in a long time. I might order one for myself. We'll see. I'm just gonna set this back down here. Open this up a little bit. So I'm thinking probably the reason this person said that I was opening them too quickly is that I'm causing ripples in my canvases. I've never had that problem, but you know, I can understand the concern and that you could potentially cause ripples if you're opening them too quickly. So that good advice. I will take it. So I will lay this back down properly once I get it all opened up here and flattened out. Try not to rip it. So hope everybody's doing good. I've been really busy at work and you know, just lots going on there. Just it changes every day when you're working in long-term care right now. Said you don't know which direction you're facing some days when you go into work. It's like sometimes there's major changes. Just gotta take things as they come, I guess, right? It's kind of all we can do in this time. So it's been warm out, which is nice. And make for a shorter winter, that's for sure. Catching little glimpses of this, and it's gonna be nice. Not really my kind of picture, but you know, I guess when you're a 65-year-old bachelor, it's something that you'll be into. So let's get this guy straightened out. We're gonna take a peek at our picture here. You know, it's like the adhesive sheets are overlapping a little bit on this one, and making it a little harder to open. I'm gonna have to turn it around this way and pull this one off first. So this one's kind of overlapping a little bit with the other one. Oh, that's really dark. Can't really see the picture in this one. Maybe you can through the viewfinder a little bit. I can see one dog here. I can see a goose here and the black lab over there. Looks like that's gonna have a lot of black in it. Hopefully the picture is more detailed than the rendering is, because that's I've never had one come that's been that hard to see the picture on it. I think it's still gonna be okay, you guys. I really do. Definitely not as much confetti as I've had in my other Homfuns. It'll be interesting to see how this one works out. I'm kind of feeling a little indifferent about it right now, to be completely honest. I think it's just because I've never had one come that I haven't looked at and said, oh, that's a nice picture, you know? But this one here, it's kind of, yeah, it's hard to see what the picture's gonna look like from the rendering. Yeah, there's not a lot of confetti, like a lot of blocked areas in this one. Interesting. Okay, well, I'm gonna straighten this out a little bit. We'll take it as it comes, I guess, right? Like, it's all you can really do. So, all right, so we'll take a peek at the key. Again, I always love their symbols. They're just so simple. Like, why overdo it, you know? Just letters and numbers. Just letters and numbers. A lot of the colors look the same. But I kind of expected with this one, with all of the yellow dogs on a yellow background, and that wasn't going to get a lot of color variety, but I think that's part of what's going to make this picture what it is. So, okay, let's see where we can get into this bag. Very sticky. There we go. The drills are packaged a little bit neater in this one. Sometimes you get them and they're just kind of thrown in there. I usually do go through, oh, that's interesting. I've never seen the whites come in a big bag like that. I usually do go through them when I get a Homfun and kind of line up my drills, because sometimes when they come like that, they get crumpled. So I do this a lot of times, is just go through and kind of tidy them up a little bit, because sometimes they look like this, right? So if I go through and kind of lay them flat, then when I go to work on the picture, it's a little easier to do inventory on it. Some companies do package their drills a little neater than this, but whatever. There. Okay. So here's our inventory sheet. There's our picture, our puppy dog, so you get it closer there. And we have only 33 colors in this one. My cat's telling a story. So it looks like our main colors are the 754, this light brown, with 22 bags of that. 3865, I have 10 bags. But yeah, that light brown there. And then the black, there's 14 bags of black. So those are going to be kind of my main colors. Yeah, I have to say I'm a little bit concerned with the lack of colors and the blocking. I don't know. I'm going to work this up and we'll see what it looks like, but I have a feeling that this one may have a potential to not turn out very well, or it might turn out beautifully. So, I guess I'll work it up and do some updates on it, I guess. I might start kind of in this area with this puppy and kind of see how he turns out, but we'll go from there. So anyway, guys, there is my latest project. Looks like our drills are in good shape as usual. You know, you got some of the bigger bags here. It's a square. I said I do find that the Homfun tend to have a lot of trash in them, but this last picture I did of the elephants was actually the first time I've ever ran out of drills doing a Homfun. So even with the trash, I've still been able to pick out more than enough to get my pictures done, so I'm not too concerned about it. Yeah, so we'll see how this one works up, and I'll give you some updates along the way, because, you know, that's kind of the first time, like I said, that I'm a little worried about the detail in this one, but I guess it is what it is. We'll see how it works up. So, yeah, it's the blue sky. Okay, anyway, guys, I hope you have a good day, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.